know what time it is. Number 9 kama kawa tuna represent this how we do. Tupatie beat kwanza tumalize kiss.
Check it. Nikibisha na tisha chena elimisha maisha vijana na wapo motisha na nindo na wakilisha wakitupa na shika nikishika na tupa na nikitupa ni kutoka Kenya hadi Arusha so bila dirisha usikibado na window kwangu sipishi hodi kwa mlango mina sedo wako swag hili finest niko ligizo wako ligi ndogo wako ligi imbo mobbing all night my niggas watching my back doing what we do best but we the king of the games started from the bottom now they call us big games I don't know what they call me but we motivate the game when we started the shit they say we hallucinate but now they wonder how this game is not even the same the time when it's vapor or maybe went up to smoke I was watching all the time like a G-Shock coach say I'm sorry better half like a beat coach I need then they gonna robbers I'ma be on the watch Abandu bali rapper Raimu King you rapping win I be like Banere Kabwingo Mindo King siku manyireta nishina sheba kola na nyi wote ni masina I represent the mood I represent the hood I represent 2-5 flow cause we good all the haters yapping and nobody's gonna notice it same shit in the club and these people ain't the same nigga hold up if you thought I'll finish I make my money fast then I don't know how you feeling started from the bottom now I'm living all I'm dreaming there will never be an end this is just the beginning when I started this line nobody wanted to listen and even in the choir nobody wanted to beat it I tried but still nobody wanted to hear my cry I looked into the sky and I thought I would die and mom looked at me and said son you gonna fly life is only deeper gotta try and life is only simple but only if you have eyes that took me out and then pointed to the sky every day when I wake up I remember that night he used to tell me this son you're gonna be my bride and he gave me this shit now I promise I'll fight my haters na wahani cause him kali kama heifa nikiflosha rhyme nikani meandika na beifa na kusha mistari nikiwataka kama viper nikiwacha blank kama uchi car striper na kochi zikirami me transform into a viper na score goes more kwa hiyo nini ndio striker mimi mkali mtongo za chokolabo na Rihanna cause rhyme zangu kali zinataka pirana fan wangu wote na washo asante sana niliweka juice sijadaika Osama haters walinihate wakidhani sita hama nimetoka Kimarika toka Inter hadi Hammer 8 Lego okay hakuna blanda kwa game kuzma mindo serikali piga lectures bongo shit kamsi amekunywa makali kwa ni lazima set mekam kibahati niko top yo always kamsi ampanda farasi number 8 mzeya we out ya 8